Hello out there, this is Marsha and I am bringing you another hair video. Today I am doing faux locks with some Freetress Distress Gorgeous Locks. Yes. So I started by sectioning my hair into 3 sections and then doing some little braids all over. You'll notice that I stopped doing braids and I just started doing double strand twists because it's the same, but that was a little bit easier than trying to do a bunch of little braids. And you don't have to braid it all the way down to the ends, just enough to put the connect the hair to the lock. Then the product that I used while I was braiding my hair was the Shine Jam, and I also used some of the Eben gel. That stuff holds my hair really good, a combination of the two. I try not to use too much Shine Jam because I started noticing that it was causing outbreaks in my face, like I would get little pimples when I used too much of that Shine Jam. So the hair that I use to wrap the locks is by Ultra. It's called Expressions Twisted Up Springy. So it's like the hair that you use for like what is that called? Puffy screws or passion twists. So if you look closely at my hair, you'll notice that I started doing a double twist instead of the braids because that was a lot easier. And I think it would cause less, damage to your hair. It should just do the double strand twist and it's a lot faster. So the locks were about 28 inches long. This was really long. It was annoying sometimes. So at the end of the video, I inserted some pictures of me on vacation with my hair. I love, love, love this hairstyle. It's a really good protective hairstyle. It worked perfectly on vacation. Sometimes it was just a little annoying because it was really, really long. So it would like get in the way sometimes. It was not really heavy at all. This hair is very lightweight. And here you can see me putting some foam on it. And I would do that like days later to kind of like freshen up my hair or whatever. Put the little Shine Jam foam. And here's some pictures of me on vacation rocking my hair in Jamaica. Go watch that video if you haven't already watched it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a little comment below, y'all.